guys, my name is Chef Susie Singh and we're here today in the kitchens of Le Cordon Bleu Culinary School for eHow.com. Today I'm going to show you a really simple recipe on making a sour cream dip. Sounds pretty simple, but we've got a lot of really fun ingredients, so let's kick it up a notch. So the first thing we're going to do is add some sour cream. And I call this the one bowl wonder because you're literally going to make magic in one bowl. So we've got sour cream. Now we're going to add a little bit of mayo. Got some parsley, shallots. For those of you that don't know what shallots are, they're a combination between, they're a cross actually, between onions and garlic. It's pretty delicious and also pretty sweet. We've got some garlic, buttermilk. Totally different, right guys? We usually don't use buttermilk a lot unless we're doing like ranch sauce. We've got some white wine vinegar. This is going to add a little bit of punch to it. We've got some salt, black pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. And the secret ingredient, and I love this, I'm so excited about this, we're using some Tabasco sauce. Shaking it up a little bit. In a matter of seconds, your dip is done. Let's try it out. This looks so good. It looks nice and creamy. It's got a lot of color to it. Oh my gosh. Perfect amount of seasoning. I love the Tabasco. It really comes out at the very end as the finish. And you've got that crunch from the shallots. Thank you for joining me, Chef Susie Singh, here at the kitchens of Le Cordon Bleu for eHow.com.